Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating discovery from the University of Zurich that highlights just how intricate and adaptive plant life can be. Welcome to Trendstorm. Plants are not just passive entities, they interact actively with their environment, and these interactions can significantly shape their evolution. Researchers at the University of Zurich have uncovered that plants benefit immensely from diverse interactions with pollinators like insects and challenges from herbivores. Here's the scoop. Plants that are pollinated by insects and also face threats from herbivores have evolved mechanisms to better thrive in different soil types. Why is this important? Well, plants draw essential nutrients and water from the soil, but soils vary widely in their chemical and physical properties. This means plants must adapt their physiology to efficiently absorb what they need from different soil compositions. Over time, this adaptation leads to the development of what scientists call ecotypes, locally adapted plant varieties that may look slightly different and are better suited to specific environmental conditions. This process can even set the stage for the eventual formation of distinct plant species. In agriculture, this adaptability is crucial for optimizing crop productivity in diverse soil conditions. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how this was discovered. Biologist Florian Schiestl and his team conducted a groundbreaking 2-year experiment. They grew around 800 swede plants across 10 generations in a controlled greenhouse environment, using different soil types. They divided the plants into groups. Some were pollinated naturally by bumblebees, others were hand-pollinated, and they varied the presence of aphids, as herbivores, among different groups. At the end of the experiment, the researchers meticulously analyzed how the plants had adapted to each soil type in terms of their shape and composition. What they found was striking. Plants pollinated by bumblebees exhibited clear variations in shape between different soil types, demonstrating their adaptability. In contrast, plants that were hand-pollinated showed minimal differences across soil conditions. Moreover, the study highlighted that plants interacting with bumblebees and aphids showed the most significant adaptations to soil types over the experimental period. This adaptation wasn't just superficial. The researchers identified specific genes that play crucial roles in this evolutionary process. These findings underscore the profound impact of biotic interactions, those with pollinators and herbivores, on a plant's ability to thrive in diverse environmental conditions. It's a testament to nature's resilience and complexity. So, next time you see plants interacting with insects in your garden, remember that beneath the surface, an intricate evolutionary dance is unfolding. Source: University of Zurich. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more cutting-edge content from Trendstorm. As always, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Stay curious, and we'll see you in the next video.